You are the company you keep. Show me your friends and I can show you where your bank account balance is going to be in 10 years. What's up, YouTube? I'm Debt-Free Joel. On today's personal finance tip, we're going to talk about how your friends can influence your personal finances. If you're new to the channel, this channel is dedicated for one thing and one thing only, to get you better with your numbers. If you like these type of channels, cool. Click the like and subscribe button and let's get to it. Show me your friends and I can show your bank balance in the next 10 years. It's really that simple. Your friends influence your behaviors. Your friends influence the way you spend money. Have you ever tried to get your money right and try to think about being on a budget and doing the right thing, and then you go out with your friends and you blow a bunch of money? Now, why is that? It's because of peer pressure. You want to keep up with the Joneses. You want to make sure your friends look at you as someone who has money. But in reality, you don't. I experience this a lot when I help people with their finances. One of the first questions I ask people in general is, why are you hanging around people who don't allow you to get your money right? Think about it. If you are addicted to alcohol or drugs, for example, one of the first things they're going to tell you is stop hanging around people who put you in a position to go back into the addiction. Well, your money is exactly the same way. Why the hell are you hanging around people who are going to make your finances bad? Yeah, sure, you can love them, but at the end of the day, you have to keep them at arm's length as you do what's best for you and your family. It's amazing to me what we try to do as a society. We go on social media, you see everybody buying cars and buying houses and buying shoes and buying watches and buying blah, 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 blah. And then we feel we need to do the same. You do understand that people on social media lie to you, right? You do understand that the majority of people who put things on social media are lying to you. You do understand the statistics show that the majority of people on social media are lying. They're broke. So why are you trying to keep up with your friends who are also broke? You know their finances. They've told you. All you got to do is give them a drink, and they can tell you how bad things are actually going to get. Especially if you're in a couple. Not only is it your friends, but it's your significant other. If you're dating someone and they're bad with money and you're trying to be good with money, it's not going to work. I don't care how much you think it is, it's not going to work. Because remember, if you're in a marriage, their debt is your debt is their debt. I know that's a really unpopular opinion, but you guys share a bed. That means that you guys share the bills. It is what it is. I'm talking to adults here. I'm not talking to kids. Okay? So your friends influence your money. Think about it this way. If you're trying to get your money right and you go out with your friends and they make fun of you because you're trying to save money, you're trying to be on a budget, you're trying to have your cash envelopes because you want to spend a certain amount of money, and they start making fun of you, they don't want to see you succeed. But then when you do start to get your money, you know what happens? Hey man, how'd you do it? Give me the game. That's what happens in life. Your friends influence your finances more than you think. I go out with my friends a lot. I'm that guy. I go out with my friends a lot, and one of the first things I notice about them is when they buy new things, whether it be a new watch, a new chain, new sneakers, whatever the case is, new cologne, new fragrance, whatever it is, I can usually tell because I'm just that neurotic guy. Now, when I see them, one of the first things I ask them as a joke is always, did you pay yourself? And the resounding answer with them is, hell yeah, I did. But there's a point to it. Your friends can also influence you in a good way. Your friends can big you up as you're saving money, as you're paying down debt, as you're buying the house responsibly. Your friends influence you in a good way. Your friends influence you in a bad way. So if you're looking at your friends right now and you realize that the people around you are stopping you from getting your money right, it's time for you to start switching up your friends. You can still love them. You can still check in on them, but hang around people who share the same qualities as you. Hang around people who want to see you grow. Hang around people who want to see your financial goals become realities. Those are the people you need to hang around. Like I said before, show me your friends and I can show you your bank balance in 10 years. I'm Debt-Free Joel. If you like these type of videos, cool. Click the like and subscribe button. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at Debt-Free Joel. I put a ton of information on there on finance as it pertains to saving, investing, and most importantly, charity. Until next time, keep your money up.